There's no point in saying good morning, because it certainly is not one.
Is it in progress?
It's not like so.
Are we on? Are we live?
But we're on a sad note today.
Are we? Are we on the
Yeah.
set? Are we in mourning?
I don't want to say I'm in mourning. I'll say more so like, I'm just disappointed with the gears
Mm-hmm.
and the people, all y'all, especially the women.
White women, to be
Yes.
specific.
Yes, white women.
Be on point.
Yes, with white women. Yes.
I can't solve the problem. You guys pull the strings that close schools. You guys draw the boundaries that keep our kids restricted to the ghetto. You guys write up the restrictive covenants that keep us out of houses. So it's up to you to talk to your brothers and your sisters and persuade them that they have a responsibility. We've assumed ours for over 400 years, and we're tired of this kind of stuff now. We're not going to suffer patiently anymore. No more turning the other cheek. No more blessing our enemies. No more praying for those who despitefully use us. We're going to show you that we've learned the lessons you've taught us. We've studied your history, and you did not take over this country by singing "We Shall Overcome." You did not gain control of the world like you have it now by dealing fairly with a man and keeping your word. You're treaty breakers, you're liars, you're thieves, you rape entire continents and races of people. Then you wonder why these very people don't have any confidence or trust in you. Your religion means nothing. Your law is a farce, and we see it every day. You demonstrated it in Alabama. And I can say you because you're part of the whole system. You profit from it. In fact, you make your living from it.
Oh, take me through how was your last night? What was you doing last night?
So last night I literally was like, I was on egg, remember I was on ice checks all day because I was like, I really feel that because when I went to the polls, I was like, you know what, it's a lot of people up in here. I feel as though that like, the Republicans came out. They did. I give them that. They came out. They came out. I don't know if they were threatened or forced, but they came out in numbers and sided. And Florida, I'm so disappointed in y'all.
Mm-hmm.
More so like the ones that was blue, we already know that y'all was gonna stand on business. But for Florida to go from blue to red, what the fuck are we doing? Are we going backwards or forwards?
Girl, we're going from side to side.
Side to side. And that's when something happened to us, girl. Don't nobody gonna feel bad for us. We're gonna get into that very soon. How do you
Oh, clearly, because they said the next hurricane, they want us off the map.
Oh, y'all, because I'm gonna leave.
They like wipe them motherfuckers off.
You will not catch me on nothing, girl, because I can't even play with that. When I like I woke up around 2 and I checked, like, I was watching news and I checked and I saw that he had like 50 more points than her, and I was like, you know what? I just have to accept it. Whatever happened.